The picture I paint, it's never gonna change. RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash. Roll the dice, play it twice. You just might lose your life in these streets every night. I know niggas that was getting this chicken they cooking up. Guess they good in the kitchen. I started off from the street to the city. I'm getting guap. Let's go fuck up the city. Yeah, RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash around to the back. We can do this shit all again. They all in the front. They show me love. Them bitches they bought their friends. Got racks in my pants and 10 in my hands. Look how long I wait for this. I'm Mary jeans with Dolce Gabbana. Fendi T on my door and the Prada. Sexy fly. The picture I paint is never gonna change. RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash. You said you was gang, but you never hanged, and I guess it was a man. The picture I paint is never gonna change. RPG, we gonna win. Spending this gonna change. RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash from one to the back. We can do this shit all again. Oh my nigga for all of my doors in the nigga for all of my doors in the pen. You said you was gang, but the picture I paint. Run to the back, we can do this shit all again. They all in the front, they show me love. Them bitches they bought their friends. Got racks in my pants and 10 in my hands. Look how long I wait for this. I'm Mary jeans with Dolce Gabbana, Fendi T. You never hanging, I guess it was a man. The picture I paint is never gonna change. RPG, we gonna win. Spending this cash, run to the back. We bought all the clothes again. All of them packages made this shit. Found a new beat and I made a hit. This is the story I started with. We got a boat to the max, a couple bands. Spending this cash, run to the back. We can do this shit all again. Come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pain. You said, come on, my nigga, we on go, my nigga, for all of my doors in the pain. You said you shit all again. Knew what I wanted at the age of 10. No matter story or path, I always knew money was gonna be the end.